Hi, my name's Amare, and I'm going to show you a little bit about the drums, and I'm going to show you how they work on tunePad too. So right here, this is a crash cymbal. You see these, you push these together, you push them up, put that to the side, you take off this, you put the crash cymbal straight through the hole, put this inside, and then this again, you squeeze it together, and you slip it right there, and then you just twist it, give a little twist to it, and it's tight. And there are some drums in tunePad. I started off with the 8th note hi-hat, then I went all the way to 1/8 note bass drum, and then I went to a clap and a snare drum, one single all together in the play note, if you could zoom in, and it's right there. So add to the drums, and then you turn this into 4, and you turn this into a 52, I think, and let's see what it does. So add everything together. Bass drum, and the hi-hat. And that's what we have for today.